How to pour a glass of water from a fridge properly. Step 1. Grab a glass. Grab a glass and head over to the fridge and get ready. Step 2. Position the glass properly. When positioning the glass, make sure you don't hold the glass up too high, otherwise the ice will get jammed, and don't hold it down too low, otherwise the ice will just fall out. Just hold it in the middle and that's good. Step 3. Select the ice option and pour your ice. Now step 4, select the water option and pour your water. And that's it, you're done. Enjoy your water.